Okay, so we are here in After Effects and I've just finished removing my tripod and my lights and I'm ready to export. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial showing you guys just how to export this, ready for further editing in Premiere Pro. So as always, we're going to export not from our edit tabs, but from our VR2 output tab. This is what we're exporting from. This is our final shot. So with that selected, let's go up to composition. We're going to head down to add to render queue, which is going to bring up our export panel down here. I'm going to leave on best settings as it is. And the thing that we're going to be changing is output module. So let's go ahead and click on this. So After Effects wants to compress this file for me. That would be fine for you if this is your final output. This is going to be sending off to the client. You can do H.264, H.265, whatever it is that you need for your client. But for the work that I'm doing, I still need to take this into Premiere for color grading and to be put into final film, where I will then be compressing it using Media Encoder. So I'm going to come down and keep my ProRes codec by clicking on QuickTime, which is automatically now put it to ProRes 422 high quality, which is exactly what I want. You can come in here to your other format options if you would prefer ProRes 422, 4444, anything else you want, but for me, I'm working in Apple ProRes 422 high quality, so I can keep all the information that I need for further editing. So let's go ahead and OK that. We're going to go ahead and leave everything else as it is. Just out of habit, I always come down here to put it onto output off, audio output off. It's just a habit of mine that I'm always doing. I know that I'm not going to be exporting any audio from my underwater footage as I use Foley sounds. So let's go ahead and OK that. So the next step is just to go ahead and set your output as always when you're exporting. So we're going to put in a tutorial example. Okay, QuickTime Mov, perfect. Let's go ahead and save that. And that's it. So now that's all that's left. You can press on notify if you want your After Effects to notify you when it's done, and just to go ahead and render. So that's literally it, guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.
Like and subscribe for more content always being produced by us here at Seaspace VR.